Spring is in the air, and that means a refreshing return to patio weather. It's time to celebrate all things outdoors. And the Spring Shop by Hobby Lobby is here to help you create a gorgeous space to enjoy all season long. Explore beautiful but functional touches, like charming welcome mats, chic gardening accessories, and cheery drinkware to bring springtime to every inch of your space. Make the most of your patio time with an array of comforting accents that make it easy to relax, unwind, and take in the beauty of spring. Because when you're making the most of your time outdoors, it's the little things that help make everyday moments feel special. It's all about choosing pieces that bring you joy. Love the idea of alfresco entertaining? Whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue or bringing family dinner outside, you'll find all the essentials for springtime gatherings, big or small. From place settings and glassware to serving bowls and table linens, to all the makings for a stunning centerpiece. We have everything you need to turn your outdoor dining area into a place where your guests will want to linger. Discover a spring worth celebrating. Available for a limited time at the Spring Shop by Hobby Lobby. For more inspiration, subscribe to Hobby Lobby's YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we add new videos. We can't wait to help you live a creative life.